Friday, October 7th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. I'm sort of running out of superlatives here to describe the weather. Just beautiful, beautiful conditions will continue through the weekend, but weather changes are on the way as we get into next work week, at least for a portion of the work week. I'll get into that here as today's edition of the video unfolds. Look at the radar this morning, and you have some lingering areas of rain in parts of Nebraska. Up into the Dakotas, there was actually a decent amount of severe weather associated with that yesterday evening. And then it's snow in some of the higher elevations there in the Rockies from Wyoming into parts of western Montana, Idaho, and northern Utah. The snow really piling up in some of those areas. Winter weather-related products in those white shaded counties around the Rockies. And also the blue shaded counties here, those are various wind-related products as the wind continues to really crank and association with this big low-pressure area. Look at the warmth funneling up ahead of that cold front. There's some temperatures in the low 70s, even up into Minnesota and North Dakota, even southern Canada up around the 70-degree mark in some areas this morning. But we've had that little area of high pressure that's pushed down some cooler air again for the eastern side of the mountains, sort of a reinforcing push of cooler air that's keeping the weather extremely nice here in our neck of the woods. Upper level ridging up top, and that's going to continue to be the case through the weekend. But look at the trough evolving out west. Now let me show you what happens by Monday. This is Monday afternoon. You're looking at this little development in the either the eastern Gulf around the Bahamas, and with that trough kind of meandering from the west toward the Great Lakes, it'll pick up that whatever that tropical disturbance may be and lift it up in our direction. And I'll show you some of the model data on that in just a second. Today, a beautiful day. Piedmont highs in the 70s, sunshine, fantastic stuff. And looking at tomorrow, very much the same. For your Saturday, sunny, 70s for highs, beautiful, beautiful conditions. Sunday, maybe a few clouds out there, but still a good day with highs in the Piedmont in the 70s and lots of sun. And by the way, I need to mention the fall color probably peaking this weekend into next week for some of the higher mountain elevations above about 4,000 feet. So a good weekend to check out some of that early season fall color this weekend. Now getting into next week, here's Monday on the GFS, and notice it develops that low around Florida, which is one of the more eastern solutions, and pulls it up toward the South Carolina coast by the time we get to Tuesday evening. By Wednesday evening, it's just sort of a broad trough swinging into the northeast. Now, the European model continues to be further west with this. This is Wednesday morning, sort of a broad low from North Florida to parts of the Carolina coast. And the situation is a rainy one for us by Wednesday morning, and it actually begins by Tuesday. I just showed you one panel there. So I'm not going to make any changes to my forecast this morning. I'm going to continue with the good opportunities for rain over much of the region Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Thursday, that system should be gone, but another cold front approaching from the west. It looks like it's going to try to sweep through Friday, and I still think at the moment odds are favoring pretty good weather for all the activities out at Charlotte Motor Speedway next Friday and Saturday. All right, tropics. There is Hurricane Philippe this morning, and it currently has winds sustained at 90 miles per hour. As I'm cutting this video, but this will head through the North Atlantic and will not affect any land areas, at least as a classified system, a pure tropical system most likely. This is heading up way north, up toward Greenland. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for watching this Friday edition of the video. Have a great weekend. Enjoy this fantastic weather, and God bless.